Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to factory reset your 3M XT1 base station. Now that 3M XT1 base station is a drive-through base station which requires to be factory reset if the registration fails after you clear the headsets. Sometimes when you try to register a new headset, it doesn't register because the banks for registry is full. So what you do is you do clear registration, for which I have another video. But in this video, sometimes even when you clear all the registration, a new headset will not register until you do a factory reset. This video is teaching you how to clear or do a factory reset. Now, when you do a factory reset, keep in mind that all the settings in that particular drive-through base station will be cleared. So you have to reset your timers, record your greeter, and all the other customization of open time, close time, clock, date, month. All those things needs to be set again. So don't do this unless this is the last resort, and without doing this, there is no way you can register a headset. So here's how we factory reset a base station. The first thing you need to do is you need to have access to the installer level password, or I should say setting. For that, what you need to do is you press mode. When it says enter password, you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not just 4, up to 5 you have to press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, mode, and then you press mode again, and you press mode again, and you press mode again. And the system menu, you have to go to factory reset, which is down, 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 and the last one, which is option number 15, factory setup. Now you have to press enter. When you press enter, it tells you restore all factory settings. It's currently no has been chosen, so you have to right arrow. First you have to enter, and then right arrow to change it to yes. So you have to enter and then right arrow, change it to yes. Now press enter to complete. You press enter and now you wait. It's doing a factory reset. It will reboot and it will do all the rituals, pass, all those things. Now there is no timer installed. That's why timer failed, because it doesn't have a timer attached to it. And now we have the unit completely factory reset. Now that you have factory reset your base station, remember that you have to do all the settings again, which is your opening time, closing time, automatic greetings, what kind of greetings you want to play, and all the rituals that your restaurant had before. You have to redo it because most of those are now deleted. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.